What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add expenses in Xero. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Xero. Then here you will see the first official website of Xero. Just simply click on this website. After clicking, if you are new here, you can click on try Xero for free, or if you already have an account here, just simply click on login and then log in with your credentials on Xero. So I am new here to Xero, so I'll just click on try Xero for free. After clicking on try Xero for free, this shows me to sign in with the software and then I can use it for a few days. Yes, guys, it is a free trial for some days, and after that, you have to pay a premium. So I will just simply sign up for now. Now, after coming to the dashboard, click on businesses and then click on expense claims. After clicking on expense claims, you can see all expenses. After coming here, click on setup expenses. After that, select at least one expense and then click here, and here is the mileage claim accounts. After that, click again and then use one account for mileage accounts, and then you can upload or you can update your roles for one member. After that, click on go to expenses, and here you can see all your expenses. Now, after coming to the expenses setup, at the top you can see this plus icon of create new expense, and from here you can choose the type of expense that you want, and after that click on that, and then let's say if you want to create a bill expense, so click on bill and then you can create a new bill for your expense. As you can see, I have created a bill, and when I am done, I will just save it, or I can just approve it. After clicking on save, you can also click on approve to approve your bill. And after that, as you can see, my bill has been appeared here in the expenses section. So this is how you can add expenses in Xero. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.